This briefing introduces how autonomous trading delivers real-time market signals. You'll see a concrete example available on the free plan, including timestamps and verified outcomes. What follows is a real case, shown as it unfolded, not hindsight.
Before you see the trade, here's the context. The trader you're about to watch purchased Beyond Meat for 53 cents. Meanwhile, he received a new real-time trading signal generated by autonomous trading. Trade alerts are delivered as buy, sell, or sell and short signals, each issued with a timestamp and tracked outcome. What follows is a real-time example available on the free plan, shown so you can independently verify both timing and result.
So folks, you are now seeing my price target being reached, $7 on Beyond Meat. So at this price and higher, what you start doing is to trim your investment and therefore reducing your exposure. Price target reached today, $7. This represents 1,000 plus gain, okay? And the double down. And the strategy utilized the same as quantum computing stocks in the case of OKLO and so on, where I told you to sell OKLO, 192, sell Rigetti going short, 57, downgrade. Same about Rigetti, same about QBTS, D-Wave Quantum, $47. And by the way, notice that I told you about this before the share price of these stocks being reached. Okay, so you knew that all this was going to happen. All right. So, for example, the case of OKLO, I told you at $150 basically that the stock it was going down, pull back, and then rally back to new all-time highs. Therefore, do not quit investing. Buy more on weakness, and then OKLO reversed course, rallied to $193. You sold, you went short because I told you about it. So 20 to 192, and then the same about the quantum computing stocks. Okay? And this to prove what? Not only that I'm the person that make all these calls available worldwide, but more importantly that you see them materializing live on the tape. You can check the algorithm doing the calls also, or publishing them and the forecast, and even joking about all this stuff on social media, X and so on. And then I'm going to continue. Same about other quantum computing stocks, IonQ, and also this one here, quantum computing that rallied precisely like I told you, from 60 cents, this one I made available last year, and in 2025 to $25, twice, okay? So no one missed ever the opportunity to do it in quantum computing, because everyone knew since inception that this was going to happen because I made it all available, okay? So what I'm going to do here is to go through what you see here. So you have to replay my most recent streaming session from the top. Like I told you, you can check publicly the record. It is published on the sites and so on in real time. And the crash in Rigetti. So you are going to notice the same about this, okay? So I told you $27 here to sell and to go short. By the way, you know Citron Research, my friends. I told you this is a scam. And this is the company that told you to sell short. NVIDIA, my number one position throughout the years. So this was in 2015 or 2016, I'm not sure. So that they turned bearish. NVIDIA, imagine, okay? And other stocks that rallied over 2,000%. NVIDIA, it is just one example. And and continuing, then you can see obviously here what happened to this, my friends. Okay, so it is still here the comment Alex quit today 192. You have 123 today. Okay, so I'm going to. I forgot here a typo. You see all these made by a human. There is no intervention here of AI. What you have to utilize is, and the single most important thing, my friends, that you have your brain that God gave you.
After the sell and short signal you just saw, Beyond Meat reversed course on that same day. Over the following 25 trading sessions, the stock crashed from $7.60 to 80 cents. This move occurred after the signal, not before, and is fully visible on the price chart. This is how autonomous trading is used by professionals. Signals first, price action later, results confirmed in the market.
You've just seen how autonomous trading identifies market turning points in real time. You can access the same live buy, sell and short signals through the free 5-day plan. Enter the platform, follow the signals as they appear, and judge the results for yourself.